news, the Atlanta Journal-Constitution reports Tiffany A. Henyard, a Republican business owner, has qualified to run for District 5 Commissioner seat and will be on the ballot.
Well, WJN Investigates has learned Tiffany Henyard is not done with politics just yet. The former South Suburban politician has moved to Georgia and appears to be running for office there.
Let's talk about it. Now, here's a quick word from this video sponsor, HelloFresh. You've probably heard of HelloFresh. They've been delivering the chef-crafted recipes and fresh ingredients for years. But this fall, they've leveled up. This isn't the HelloFresh you remember. Now, it's bigger with double the menu. That's up to 100 options each week, from seasonal dishes to flavors from around the world. Plus, bigger portions to keep everyone full. It's healthier with high protein and veggie-packed recipes. We're talking 2 or more veggies per dish, so you can feel good about what's on the table. It's also tastier. Steaks and seafood every week at no extra cost, with 3 times more seafood than before. And every week there's fresh seasonal produce, snap peas, stone fruit, corn on the cob, delivered right to your door. Now, before doing this ad read, I ordered some food from HelloFresh and tried it, and I'm gonna say, it was amazing. The dinner was quick, easy, and a lot better than takeout, and a lot healthier too. Now, the best way to cook just got better. Go to HelloFresh.com/NateTheLawyer10FM, or you can scan the QR code on the screen to get 10 free meals, plus a free item for life. 1 per box with an active subscription. Free meals apply as a discount on your first box. New subscribers only, varies by plan. That's HelloFresh.com/NateTheLawyer10FM for 10 free meals plus a free item for life. And remember, HelloFresh is America's #1 choice for home cooking. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Nate the Lawyer, and today we are talking about our favorite crazy mayor, Tiffany A. Henyard. Now, for those of you who do not know who Tiffany Henyard is, she was at one point labeled the worst mayor in America. All right, I'm not going to go over the whole history here, but for instance, she told the taxpayers to pay their taxes by playing Rihanna's "Bitch Better Have My Money."
Nobody knows something. Nobody knows nothing.
Tiffany Henyard certainly isn't shy about attracting attention. Here she is starting a Dolton Village board meeting dressed like the Wesley Snipes character in the movie New Jack City, later punctuating her political points with the help of her own DJ.
Every single resident. Pay me what you owe me. Thank you, DJ.
Then she gave a convicted sex offender a badge and told him to go into people's homes.
Furious after a Fox 32 investigation found this registered child sex offender on the public payroll.
A sex offender, you don't give them carte blanche to go into different people's homes.
46-year-old Lavelle Redmond is close friends with Dolton Mayor Tiffany Henyard, who in September hired Redmond as a code enforcement officer without the village board's approval. Redmond served 25 years in prison for the brutal gang rape and beating of 2 young teenage girls in the 1990s, and was arrested and charged after our first story aired for violating the reporting requirements of the sex offender registry. But Mayor Henyard says her friend deserves a second chance, infuriating a number of Dolton residents. Fox 32 has also obtained this cell phone video showing Redmond interacting with the mayor and little children at a back-to-school event in Dolton. Notice the badge on his waist.
And let's not talk about the lavish trips around the country like this one she took to Las Vegas.
And then there are the trips to Las Vegas. Las Vegas. Mayor Henyard and other top officials traveled to Sin City in May to attend a shopping center conference. It's unclear if it helped Dolton land any deals.
Don't have a clue. We're all in the dark. Not only are the residents in the dark, but the trustees are also in the dark as well.
I do not handle anything as relates to with credit cards. As you heard me speak today in my board meeting about, I do not handle that.
Some of those charges are for you, though.
No, sir.
You didn't go to Las Vegas? What is that?
No comment.
You don't know if you were in Las Vegas?
Of course I do.
Were you?
It's not paid by them.
Did you fly first class to Las Vegas?
Any other questions?
Actually, yes. The credit card records do shed some light on tax dollars spent at several restaurants near the Strip, including Cafe Hollywood and Hot and Juicy Crawfish.
All right. Any other questions?
So you're not going to answer how taxpayer dollars are being spent? That seems odd.
I just answered it. What do you mean? I just answered your questions.
You said you wouldn't answer about Las Vegas.
You asked me a question and I responded. So any other questions you may have?
So there are a lot more controversies dealing with this particular mayor in this particular town. But we're not going to go into all that because this video will be an hour long. Let's get into what's going on in Fulton County, Georgia. So now, since I'm a good YouTuber, Henyard was the mayor in Illinois, Dolton, Illinois. She had done such a horrible job, she was kicked out of office by a landslide victory.
Tiffany Henyard was a no-show for her election night party after it became clear that she would lose in a landslide. I did speak with her by phone. She said she accepts the election results. She said, "The people have spoken, and God must have a different plan for me." It was a far cry from the tone that she struck earlier in the day when she insisted that she would win in spectacular fashion.
If you don't win, what are you going to do?
I might run for something bigger. Never know. We're not going to talk about that till we get the results, but I am confident that I will have a landslide this evening. My residents do love me despite fake news not showing the good that I do in the community, because I do a ton of good, but y'all just painted me as bad news for 4 years.
Yeah, Tiffany Henyard didn't just lose tonight. You might call this a political annihilation. Her opponent, trustee Jason House, getting a 7-1 margin on over her tonight. House with 87.9% of the 4,400 votes cast here today. Henyard getting just 12% of the vote.
So as you saw, Henyard was kicked out of office, landslide loss. So she decided, hey, maybe Illinois is not the place for me, and headed to Atlanta.
Atlanta is known as, it's the Mecca, it's known as Black Hollywood, it's known as the city of dreams, especially if you're an entrepreneur, a boss, a creator. So my first question is, what led you to Atlanta?
You just said it. Opportunity.
So this clip confirms two things: that Tiffany Henyard is no longer operating in Illinois and she's moved to the Atlanta area. To even confirm this even more, she describes a business that she is now owned and operated in the Atlanta area.
And for those of y'all who are new to her store, your clothing store, before we wrap up, the New Wave.
Yes.
In College Park.
Yes.
Amazing clothing store. I love the merch. I actually got my first outfit. I'll definitely be back. Anyone who knows the Diva knows I love to shop. I mean, I'm a lady. We all like to shop. Yeah. So talk to us about what we can expect with your clothing store. She doing it all, y'all.
So basically, everybody was into my fashion during my 4 years.
Oh, yes. That was a big thing. That was a big thing. The fashion. So, she was always dressed.
Always dressed.
And the hair was always laid.
Yes. Thank you. So basically, I want to basically embrace somebody with how I dress. When I'm on a down day like now, like this is something that we carry in our store. This is a Puma outfit.
That's cute too.
So we got different things for a different you.
So now we know that Tiffany is down in Atlanta, and the Atlanta Journal-Constitution did an article, and in this article they talk about who's running for various positions in Fulton County. And down right here, they say Tiffany A. Henyard, a Republican business owner, also has qualified to run for the District 5 Commissioner seat. So we know Tiffany A. Henyard has moved to the Atlanta area, has moved to Fulton County, but is she this business owner who's a Republican? Well, here's what Tiffany A. Henyard says about Democrats and Republicans.
So you certainly landed during a trying time in the world. There's been a lot of conversation lately about members of the Black community leaving the Democratic Party.
Ooh.
Yes, that's been the topic of the day on social media, like in the podcast world. Have you heard anything about that?
Oh, yes. They talking, honey.
They are
talking.
They are talking. What's your thoughts about that?
I'm really, really happy that people are entertaining the conversation. I really want people to educate themselves so they understand who does what, how it works, and what's the process.
Right.
Because everybody's pointing the finger at they did it, left, right, okay, whatever.
Right.
But no one's coming with facts.
People keep voting for Democrats or keep voting Democrat, but the Democrats aren't doing anything for the Black community.
That's true.
So
I lived it. That's true.
You lived it. You mean
I lived it because I am a Democrat. I ran as a Democrat, and if you go check my voting record, that's what I always pull, a Democrat ballot. And Democrats really need some help, and I'm here to say it proudly that a lot of them don't belong in the seats that they're in. Residents have to really research them and stop listening because they say they're a Democrat don't mean they for you. Mm-hmm. They're normally for themselves. you have to really pay attention and change the narrative that we see right now.
Right.
Because right now, Republicans are doing a good job to me. This is my opinion.
No, of course.
Everybody got their own opinion.
Everyone has their own opinion.
What, when, where. I'm only speaking because I lived it. By me being a Democrat, and my very own is the ones that was attacking me.
All right, because this was so confusing to me whether this was actually Tiffany Henyard from Illinois versus some random Tiffany A. Henyard, I actually went to the Fulton County list of qualified candidates. These are the people who've actually done the work to be qualified to be placed on the ballot. And I wanted to see what it said about this particular race. So when you scroll down, you're at the Fulton County Board of Commissioners, District 5, and it says Democrat, but it has Tiffany Henyard, Republican, business owner. Is she the incumbent? No, she's the Republican Party. And she qualified on March 5th, 2026, very recently. So what do we know? We know that Tiffany Henyard moved to Fulton County. She opened a business in Fulton County, and she says she's done with Illinois politics. She also says how she's unhappy with the Democrats. They were the ones that attacked her, and says she's very happy with how the Republicans are running things. All right, so we have to understand what we also don't know. We don't know if this Tiffany Henyard is our Tiffany Henyard. We don't have the candidate affidavit. We don't have the filing address in District 5 where this is. There's no campaign website that we can see. It's just a name in the same county where Tiffany Henyard has moved to. But again, there could be more than one Tiffany Henyard in Fulton County. So the bottom line is, did Tiffany Henyard move to Atlanta, open a business, switch parties, and file for office? Or is this just some other person with the same name?
The former South Suburban politician has moved to Georgia and appears to be running for office there. The local board of elections says Tiffany A. Henyard has qualified to run for a district commissioner's job in Fulton County. Henyard did not respond to a request for comment, though. The county includes Atlanta and surrounding suburbs. The longtime Democrat is running as a Republican, will not face any opponents in the primary. The district is heavily Democratic, and 4 candidates are vying for that nomination.
So this is for the fans out there. Do you think this Tiffany A. Henyard is our Tiffany A. Henyard? Is she trying to get back into the game, trying to become a county commissioner? Now, county commissioner is a pretty big job. That's the legislature for that county. Decide who gets what monies and all that type of stuff. So it looks like she's trying to get back on the horse. And let's not forget, she has the whole FBI thing she's dealing with too. So let me know in the comments section, is this Tiffany A. Henyard running in Fulton County, the same Tiffany A. Henyard who ran in Dolton? Don't forget, like, subscribe, do all great YouTube stuff. My name is Nate the Lawyer. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.